Welcome to PointWise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. Today we're going over some recent additions to the diagonalize command that came out with 18.4 R2. A common treatment for trailing edge domains is to create a structured domain and then diagonalize that structured domain. This works a little bit better with T-Rex in an unstructured block. I have two structured trailing edges here, and I want to show you some recent things done with Diagonalize. To do that, I'm going to select the domain and go to Create, Diagonalize. The first thing that I'm going to call attention to is this link command. What this does is it links the newly created diagonalized domain to the structured domain on which it is based, so that if I change the dimensions of the connectors, the diagonalized domain will update. Previously, it just became initialized. Now it will update and retain this nice structured look. The second checkbox here is replace, and what that does is you can see I already have a block created. The block was created with the structured domain, but with replace check, that structured domain will automatically be replaced in the block with this diagonalized domain. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to change this to make it a little bit easier to see. If I select the two connectors that make up this long side, they're both at 75 dimension, and change them to say 70, the domain updates, and it is still diagonalized. I can show the diagonalized domain has replaced the structured domain in the block if I select the block and go to Grid, Solve. I'm going to click over here to the Boundary Conditions tab. If it's a part of the block, I should be able to apply a boundary condition to it. Sure enough, I can. I can turn it off or do whatever. I'm going to hit cancel. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all. Have a pleasant Tuesday.